In Module 6 of the Perth Fitness Industry Professional Development Weekend, we'll be covering movement screening and correction. You will learn how to conduct in-depth assessments on the movement patterns of the most common exercises. And then based on this assessment, we'll be able to draw some conclusions about the musculo-skeletal health and specific corrective prescriptions that can be made. This module will cover an assessment of fault, identifications of the offending structures, and programming to correct these underlying issues. The Perth Fitness Industry Professional Development Weekend is being held in September 2018. This is open to all Perth health and fitness professionals, trainers and coaches. This is going to be an intensive, information-dense learning weekend, and it'll leave you with an incredible depth and breadth of knowledge and hundreds of practical applications in the fields of exercise, of fitness, and the business of being a fitness professional. So invest in yourself, invest in your business, and supercharge your personal, your professional, and your business development. You'll take your value and your expertise to a whole new level. For more details or to secure your ticket, visit rangeofmotion.net.au/fitness industry PD 2018. I hope to see you there.